Government members on this side of the House who have been given responsibility for a certain area of government are called ministers. Like the word minister suggests, they organise or administer the operation of one of the state's government departments. Ministers sit in the front seats, which in some parliaments is a long bench. This is why ministers are also known as front benchers. Ministers will report to the House on any changes or news about their department with a brief ministerial statement.
The Minister for Volunteering.
Madam Speaker, members, the state government is proud to lend a helping hand to organisations around the state to put on events for a Thank a Volunteer Day. The day this year on the 5th of December marks a special time in the calendar when we as a community celebrate the work of our volunteers across the state.
On the other side of the House sit the opposition, and they have nominated members called shadow ministers. Like a shadow, they will constantly follow, monitor, criticise and question the actual minister on their decisions and the activities of the minister's department.
My grievance is to the Minister for Child Protection, which is about the lack of support for vulnerable youth, particularly in the southwest. I refer to one specific case which was raised with your office last Friday as an example of the level of dysfunction and under-resourcing within the system. The YCAB is managed by the City of Busselton and provides supervised activities for youth from 12 to 24. The space was designed for young people to upskill, engage, socialise and receive positive mentoring. However, since the opening, YCAB has become a drawcard for vulnerable and often homeless youths. It's managed by a small team who have had to adapt the space to provide what support they can for these young people.
Thank you, and I thank the member for the grievance. Member, I can certainly assure you, other members of this House and the West Australian public, that as a government we're not only strongly committing to ensuring a child's safety and protection from harm is paramount in our government's consideration, but also